Welcome to the Core Learning series. In this video, we'll cover how to download software into your Piloter from the cloud. After signing into your Piloter, touch Setup icon in the upper right. Touch the Setup icon again. Then go to Maintenance. And then scroll on your screen down to the bottom and touch the box that says Update from Cloud. The online update box will come up, and then touch the download button and your software will begin to download. After your download has completed and is at 100%, touch the install button and then you will notice the current version shown and the new version, which will be 1.23.1, and touch the update button on the next to the software version. Do not check the delete preset button. Simply touch update and your system will begin to update.